Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share an album on Google Photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Google Photos. Then right here hit Add Library, and now you can scroll down for a bit, and right here you can find your albums. I got 2 albums here, and in order to share some album you first need to enter that album, and after that right here just tap at Share button, and after that you should choose a contact whom you want to share that album with. It shows you recent contacts from your Google email, and also you can hit right here at Invite People or at Share to. So let me hit at Share to first, and by using this feature you can create a link to share, and anyone with the link will be able to see the photos and people's invited to that album. Once you hit at Create Link, it creates a link. You can right here hit at Copy Link to copy it to the clipboard. Then you can move on to some messenger and then just send it. Let me show you how it works. Let it be WhatsApp. Just open up Messenger, get into conversation, double tap at text field, and then hit on paste. After that you can just hit at send to send the link to your recipient. Also on that step you can share this album with some specific persons via their email. You can just hit right here at plus sign to be able to add some specific person. You can select from suggested, or you can hit at invite people. Now it says that link sharing is on, and you actually don't need now to invite specific people, because anyone with the link can get access to that album. So you can just hit at that link icon, and on that screen you can add additional settings. You can enable sharing photo location, you can enable or disable collaborate feature. By default, as you can see, all these 3 features toggled on, so others are able to add their photos and videos to the album. Also you can enable or disable comments and likes feature. This feature allows others to respond to any photos or videos, and also by hitting at that feature you can enable or disable link sharing for that album. Also from here you can tap at copy link to copy the link to the clipboard. If you want to stop sharing this album for anyone with the link, you can hit right here at that feature to toggle this feature off. It says that if you stop link sharing, only invited people will be able to see this album, and you can always in any time create a new link later if you want. So I'm just gonna hit at delete link to show you how it works, and then I can move on to the album, and as you can see there are no more that link icon over here, and that means that now only invited people can get access to that album. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my photos tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.